Madam Speaker,
Yes.
the state of Andhra Pradesh has been divided in a very hurried way, in a very unscientific way, madam. At that time, the same thing we objected here on the floor of the Lok Sabha, we objected. We have been suspended and simply just passed the bill, and it went to Rajya Sabha, madam. There also, Andhra Pradesh Rajya Sabha MPs, they also objected. Again, at that time, both Congress, which was in power, the BJP, which was in opposition, both, actually, they both are interested in dividing the state. That's why they thought they should divide the state. They did it in a hurried way. And at that time, madam, the then Prime Minister of India, Sri Manmohan Singh, he has promised to give special status to state of Andhra Pradesh, residue to state of Andhra Pradesh for 5 years. Then the Rajya Sabha, the members, BJP members, Sri Arun Jaitley ji, Sri Venkaiah Naidu ji, they both demanded for 10 years. For which, and again they went on telling, anyhow we are likely to come, we are coming to power, we will definitely extend it to 10 years. Then as they said correctly, and they have come to power, madam, and the residuary state of Andhra Pradesh is in great financial troubles. And we are in great distress, madam. We do not have anything. We have to start from zero now. We have to start from scratch. We do not have capital. We do not have anything. Secretariat, assembly, anything we do not have. And we are in a deficit financial state, madam. And the government of India, we thought, at least government of India will give special status so that the Andhra Pradesh state can develop industrially. And we can definitely, once this status is given, we will get 90% grant as 10% loan. Otherwise, the reverse way. So we thought at least we can develop the state industrially so that in the coming years, we thought the state can come out of this financial crisis. Now, very surprisingly, it is almost 1 year, 3 months over, madam. The government of India is dilly-dallying. They are postponing the things. They are dragging on the things. Some people say, still it is under consideration. Some people say, the then state finance minister, not planning minister, Minister of State, has categorically declared that no state will be given special status. Even now, some other ministers are telling special status to Andhra Pradesh will be given. It is under consideration of government of India. Now, people are agitating in Andhra Pradesh and they are abusing us. We are not happy to come out to there, madam, and shout slogans. We are always law-abiding citizens. Yes. We always abide by your direction. But in spite of that, we are being forced to come to there and shout slogans, madam. Okay. Otherwise, our people will not excuse us. They will not pardon us. That is why we are here to protect their rights, to protect the rights of Andhra Pradesh, madam. We demand from the government of India to declare the state of Andhra Pradesh as a special category status. Otherwise, they cannot escape. Otherwise, there is no sanctity for democracy, madam. The then Prime Minister has promised on the floor of the House. And the then opposition supported it, and they said we will give to 10 years.
NDA election manifesto.
NDA election manifesto also they said, madam. That's why we sincerely demand from the government of India to declare Andhra Pradesh as a special category state.
विभाजन का जो कानून पारित किया, वो विभाजन का कानून के संदर्भ में उसके कारण से बहुत समस्या उत्पन्न हो गया। अलग राज्य बन गया तेलंगाना। शुरू में लोग उसको बहुत जश्न बनाया, फिर बाद